President Zelensky called me, and we had a good talk. And I said, we got to get this war over. This is a war machine. You're facing a war machine. That's what they do, is they fight wars. They beat Hitler. They beat Napoleon. They're fighting a war. And the spring offensive never happened. And I hear they had millions of mines put down, and they had thousands of army tanks, meaning the Russians. And I said, we've got to get this war over with. A lot of Russians being killed, but a lot of Ukrainians being killed. It's a whole mess. Should have never happened. Biden should have never allowed this to happen. This was an easy stop. This was zero chance of happening. And it didn't happen for my 4 years. You know, it would have happened. It didn't happen. And President Putin would have never done it. Never, ever. Two reasons. Number one, the oil prices were low. I kept them low. I kept gasoline low. I kept oil low. And he wouldn't have had the money to prosecute. As soon as these guys came in, the oil went to almost $100 a barrel, which is double what it should be. And all of a sudden, he's got tremendous amounts of money that he didn't have. Russia had. So they did the war, and in my opinion, every single thing that Biden said was the opposite of what he should have said. I watched this happening. I said, he's saying the wrong things. He's saying absolutely the opposite of what he should be saying. I think one of the reasons Putin went in is because when he saw Afghanistan, the way we got out, not that we got out, I was going to get out. I would have been out sooner, but we would have been out with dignity and strength. When people saw that, like Putin, like President Xi of China, strong guy, strong man, when they saw that, Jesse, they said, this is our time. And that's why he went in my opinion, that's why he went into Ukraine. I mean, he went to Ukraine when he saw how bad we were with Afghanistan. He said, these people are incompetent. Right. They don't, and we do. We have incompetent leaders. But